Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel Pizarro and I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about electrical engineering program. I'm in my final year of electrical engineering and I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the courses that we take, our specialization, our final year capstone, and after you graduate, how does that look like? So one of the few courses you're going to take that is actually really interesting is after second year, because your first year is common here in Ontario Tech. So what that means is that your first year, all the courses for all programs like software, electrical, mechanical, and all the engineering programs are the same. So what that means is that if you start a mechanical like I did, I started as mechanical concentration with mechatronics, and later you find your passion somewhere else like I did for electrical, you can easily change with the signature of one page with your academic advisor and you're good to go. So after first year, things get more specialized. You're gonna see courses like electrical engineering fundamentals, circuit analysis, and more specialized courses within your electrical engineering program. The first course that you see that first interaction with electrical engineering is in electrical engineering fundamentals and circuit analysis, in which you actually start to design circuits, simulate them on softwares like Multisim. You heard of PSpice before, and all this level of understanding of what circuit elements do to that from an input to an output. So you're gonna start designing circuits, building them, get experience with oscilloscopes, function generators, multimeters, and all the good stuff in a lab. As well as later on, you're gonna start looking into more experienced courses like electric machines that it deals with transformers, transmission lines, motors, generators, and a lot more into what high voltage systems are, and look into wireless communications that looks into the waves and signals between different things. So you're looking at telecommunications and stuff like that. So for electrical engineering, you have a specialization option called smart grid. So smart grid is more about what everything interconnecting between each other, having a grid that is smart. So that means that is that leverages the communication networking technologies to move our Asian power grid into the 21st century. What that means is that what normally you'll have in a grid working independently, they'll be able to have that two-way communication with each other. So they'll be able to talk to each other and be able to work smartly. So reduce losses, reduce the amount of unnecessary power loss. For your final year here at Ontario Tech, you have something called your capstone project. What that means is that it's a full year project. You're going to work with teammates to build a prototype, build a product, and present that on an exhibition. So what this means is that for fall semester and winter semester, with a group of team of 4 or 5, you're gonna be working together, making engineering reports, designing, and you're gonna end up presenting your final product to your faculty advisor as well as your capstone coordinator. And it's really awesome because you're gonna end up having that creative process and that the from nothing to a product journey of starting to design, manufacture, and making something from scratch, and solving open-ended real-world industry driven engineering problems. So after you graduate, how does that look? So you're gonna be able to design and develop electronics as well as be able to understand, troubleshoot, and do quality assurance for different communication, control, and power industry. Work for power generation and distribution. We all know about Ontario Power Generation or Bruce Power. Those are big companies right now, Hydro One, and develop power communication, transportation, and medical systems and devices. Electrical engineering is not only for power and making circuits, there's a lot more that you can branch out to. And this is the beauty of electrical engineering. There's so many doors you can open with that degree. Thank you very much. Any questions, let me know.